Finding a good invoicing software can be a tedious task, hence why I've created this tutorial showing you one of the best invoicing software for small businesses. I'll be showing you step by step how to create an account and start using Invoiless. Invoiless is a platform that allows business owners or freelancers to create invoices quite easily. And with Invoiless, you can practically get started for completely free. In fact, they offer a free forever plan that will allow you to manage multiple businesses. And you can see that their paid plan is quite affordable as it will only cost $9. Now, I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up for completely free. And if you choose to go onto their paid plan, it will help to support the channel. Once there, you're going to sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, if it is a case that you run multiple businesses, you can tap right where you see Jason Tutorials in the top left-hand corner. And you'll be able to create different properties for each one of your businesses. So this platform not only is perfect for small business owners, but it can also grow with you. So as you extend your reach and start to open different branches, you can use this platform. And it is easy to maneuver around. Now to create an invoice, the first thing we'll need to do is add a customer. So we can select customers. Then you'll tap on all. After you have done that, you can either choose to import your customers if you have a CSV file of customers already, or you could tap on new and you can enter in your first customer's name, phone number, and information. Then you can scroll down from there. You can select the currency as you can see right there. So you can select the currency that you would like to do the transaction in. So there are numerous options that you can select from. So let's say, for example, we were to select USD. You can also select the language. If you like to attach a PDF file, you can do that. You can see different options. You could also add notes. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on add. And you can see that we have created our first customer. Now, after creating the customer, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option once more. From here, you can either choose to create an estimate. For example, you'll be able to send out a per forma invoice by selecting estimates. You could do that from the left-hand menu option. We could create an estimate by tapping on new estimate right here. Let's say we were to do that. After tapping on new estimate, you can put in the estimate number. Then after doing that, you can choose the issue date and the due date. Then scrolling down, you can put in, for example, let's say we were to just type in quote. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can choose what you would like the link to be. So I'll just call it test quote. Scrolling down, you can choose the customer. After doing that, you can put in the estimate items. So we can tap on add new items. And for example, you'll be able to add the product or products that you would like to create the estimate around. So let's say, for example, test product. You could put in the URL right there. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to put in the quantity, and you can also put in the price that you would like to charge and the amount of units. If you would like to add discount and taxes, you can do that. Then you'll simply tap on add item. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you could add in your terms and conditions and when the payment is due and so on. You can see different options that you can add in. If you like to add notes, you can do that. There are numerous options that you're given, and it's quite easy and beginner friendly to use. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, all you need to do now is simply tap right where you see new estimate. So you're going to tap right there and you can see estimated created. Once it has been created, from there you could choose to view the estimate, or you can tap on send and schedule in the top right hand corner. Choose the email address. After choosing the email address, you could add in your message, or you can use the preloaded message. Then you'll tap on send now, or you can choose to schedule it. So you're given two different options. So that's how you'll be able to create an estimate or quotation using Invoiless. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, we could select products. And this is where you will be able to add your digital products. For example, you can tap on new product in the top right hand corner, put in your product name, product URL, price, and description, then tap on add. If it is a physical product that you're selling, you will go on track inventory, and from there you will be able to track your product. So you'll be able to track the quantity that you have on hand, better yet. By going over to the left hand menu option once more, we could select invoices, and let me show you how to create an invoice. With this platform, not only are you able to create a one-off invoice, but you can also create recurring invoice. On the free plan, you'll only be able to create one recurring invoice. That is why I would recommend that you go onto the paid plan, as it is quite affordable compared to the other competitions. So let's say, for example, we wanted to create a recurring invoice. We would select recurring. After selecting recurring, you're going to tap on new recurring in the top right hand corner. From there, you'll be able to choose the number. You can scroll down, you can choose the issue date and when it is due. So for example, let's say it will be due every 7 days, you can leave it right there. If it will be due every 30 days, you can type in 30 days right there. And you can also change the status, so we can change it to active. Once you're finished, you'll scroll down, you can put in a header, and you can put in what you would like the link to look like. Then you'll choose the customer, and after doing that, you can choose the item that you'll be offering on subscription, so you can add that in right there. By scrolling down, you'll be able to add your terms and conditions. Then you'll be able to add the notes, and you can scroll down and you can choose the frequency. So you can see right here. So for example's sake, let's say you'll be billing them once every month. You can do that right there. Or if it will be weekly, better yet, you can select weekly. If it will be yearly, you can select yearly. So you're given different options. By scrolling down, you can also toggle on accept online payment. After toggling on accept online payment, you could also toggle on automatic payments if you want. If you would like to send email automatically, you can toggle that on. If you would like to, for example, apply late fees, you can also do that. Then you'll tap on new recurring invoice. Now, after finish doing that, you'll be able to send out your invoice. And to add different payment options, what I want you to do is you're just going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile name. Then you're going to tap on settings. After you have selected settings, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you have a few options. First, you'll be able to add the currency, the date format, and time zone. And scrolling down, you'll also be able to upload your signature, as you can see right there. After adding in this information, now the next thing I want you to do is go over to the bottom left hand corner. And you're going to tap right where you see settings. Then from there, what we're going to do next, we're going to select integrations. After tapping on integrations, this is where you'll be able to add Stripe, PayPal, and different payment options that you can accept online. So you can connect Stripe, you can connect PayPal, you can also connect Razorpay. So you can see that you're given numerous different options. Another thing that you can also do, by scrolling up, you could tap on communication and collaboration. And from there, you can see that you can also integrate Slack, Calendly, and Talk if you want. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more and select appearance, from here you'll be able to add in your logo, icon. You can also choose your brand color, you can choose the font and logo size and so on. So you'll be able to customize how your invoice looks. So this is where you'll be able to find the customization option and also how to set up the different options to accept online payment. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. To view reports, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, select reports, and from there you'll be able to view reports. And again, you'll be able to view all transactions by tapping on all right below transaction. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.